right, so for anyone who is in Southern California or any other rainy area, there's been a lot of rain in Southern California recently, and there's a lot of Rivian owners out here. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. I've seen some people be frustrated with the automatic wipers, and mine used to work really, really well, and I figured it was an update or something that ruined them, and they weren't working as well. I recently clay barred the whole windshield and did like a deep clean on it, and that's what did it. So if you're having issues with your windshield, grab a cheap clay bar kit off of Amazon or whatever, clean it off really, really good, and then I actually used a little ceramic spray, I think it's Turtle Wet Wax ceramic spray on the windshield. That's what I normally use on the cars anyway. So I treated the windshield, and it is suddenly working way better now, which is really awesome. So yeah, if you're having a problem with your auto wipers, it's probably just because they're dirty. So there you go. Hope that helps someone out there.